YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for returning. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge, and you help me by pushing my channel to more people, as we all know. So anyways, thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for joining, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I went to Dollar Tree. I had a little bit of time before I had to get home, so I ran to Dollar Tree, and these are the things that I found at Dollar Tree today. Let's do our haul. Okay, so let's move the things out the way. Let's move things out our way. So first we have these little mini sketchbooks that they had in that section. I don't know if you guys know the little section by the register. I don't know if all stores have it. Those section I always have the little one-off things at the register, and that's where I found these. I like these because I did the mini junk journal last month, and I just loved it because I could just throw this in my bag. It went everywhere with me, and I was able to just junk journal everywhere. I do have a flip through from this journal also available on here if you guys wanted to go check that out and see the pages that I did in here last month. So I wanted to get all of these, and I also like that the band is so thick, and I also like that these are already decorated, so I don't have to worry about that. I just have to add a little pizzazz to the edges and make, you know, my little usual charm for them. Here's the other one. Yeah, so I got these 80 sheets. I probably will rip out some sheets out of it, but outside of that, these are good to go for me, for my junk journal, for my little mini junk journal. I like that. Then we have these things. I bought these so I could hang some of my picture frames on the side of my bookcases. That's that. And I bought this white glue because I saw someone on YouTube, don't remember who exactly, but they say that they typically mix, when they're making like their books. I want to make a junk journal for myself. I love the way they look when I see people with them, and I want I want to make more than one, obviously, but I haven't made one yet, so I want to give it a shot. And the creator on YouTube said that they mixed regular glue with Mod Podge, and that's what they use to glue their stuff on. So I wanted to give that a try. This Mod Podge I've had for a while, but that's also from Dollar Tree. So anyways, let's put that away. Next is this headband, floral headband that I bought, that I'm going to put around my current junk journal. That I will be putting around my current junk journal, which is here. It's my little avocado charm that I made. And yeah, so this is my current junk journal. I just started it. As you can see, it's still very thin. So I want to take this off and put this around here. Let's see. Let's give it a try. What's the rush? There's no rush. So I could do that. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that is cute. I like that. That is cute. I can imagine once it gets thick and nice and thick, it's going to look so good. Yes, I actually like this. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to go back and get some of those little flowers to cut off and actually decorate with it. I love that, guys. Okay, so I do love that idea. Sorry, I'm hitting my stand here, shaking you guys. Okay, so that's that. And then, oh, I also got this because Paper Terrace, right here on YouTube, she has all these challenges that she does, that at least so that I've seen so far. And this one, I saw her use in one of her junk journals because she makes the actual junk journals, which I like. I'm going to try one. I like the way she does hers. It's very simple and easy to follow along with. So I am going to make one. And I saw she used these little envelopes from the Dollar Tree as pockets that she adds to her journals. You can see it's like a little pocket, so you can use it for pullouts and stuff in there. She used these ones, And I also have the smaller ones too that I use in my swaps. But so yeah, I'm gonna add those to that. And then the next thing we have is all this Halloween stuff. Let's go through. So these little felt stickers, I'm gonna use those to make paper clips. I don't have any right here in front of me right now to show you guys, but I'm gonna use those to make paper clips for my my Halloween junk journal. I didn't do a big Halloween junk journal last year. I did a few spreads. Well, this year I wanted to go all in and make a whole thing. And then these are stickers that I picked up at Dollar Tree. You might want to rush to your Dollar Tree and grab yours now, because we already know once they're gone. I think they had these last year if I remember clearly, because I remember buying these ones last year. I also bought these little 3D pop-up ones. I'm not going to open these today because my Halloween containers put away, and I don't want to mess them up. So they have these stickers and these stickers as well. Okay, the next thing I found at Dollar Tree, which is one of my favorite things, especially when I'm using my bigger junk journals, is to use these window stickers or window clings to help fill up pages, especially when it's themed like Halloween, Christmas and such. It's easier to use these to like fill up the pages and to make the pages pop in your junk journal or scrapbook or whatever you want to, whatever you use. So yeah, so go run along to Dollar Tree, go ahead and grab these before they are gone, because you already know once they're gone, they're gone. And these, I like these because you see how they have like little things going on for them. And yeah, I love this one. It's my first time seeing this one. So yeah, run over to Dollar Tree and grab you some of these Halloween stickers before they're all gone. I like those. I'm sorry for the noise you might hear in the background. It's early, the kids are still moving around. But here I actually opened up, and you can see these are like 3D stickers. I opened up one of them so you guys could see the effect of the stickers. They're like, so most of them are 3D stickers. But yeah, as I was saying before, run along to Dollar Tree, pick these up before they're all gone, and so that come October you are ready and you already have your stuff. I do have another bin, not a big bin, a small bin, because like I said, last year I didn't really do much with Halloween in my junk journaling world, but this year I will. So I have a small bin of some things that I collected last year that I'll be using. I did see that someone said Michael's have their Halloween stuff out as well. Actually, I think Friday I might swing by Michael's and see if I could grab a Halloween paper pad, because I don't have one of those and I would need that for some background paper. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.